There are couples who share a home, a bed, and a life, yet quietly they feel lonely. You can be married, committed, even loved, and still feel emotionally disconnected from your partner. If that feels familiar, this conversation is for you. Hello, beautiful souls. You're welcome to Heal&Rise with Adeline. A space for emotional healing, growth, and honest conversation about relationship. And today, we will be talking about emotional loneliness in marriage, why it happens, how it affects us, and most importantly, what healing can look like. What is emotional loneliness? Is it real? Emotional loneliness doesn't always show up as fighting or obvious distances. Often it sounds like they don't really see me anymore. We talk, but we don't connect. I don't feel safe sharing how I really feel. It's not the absence of a partner, it's the absence of emotional safety. And many couples don't even realize it's happening because from the outside everything looks fine. Why is emotional loneliness? Why is it happening? Let's talk about some common reasons why this happened. None of the reasons why it happened means your marriage is broken. For example, number one, life responsibilities take over. Children, work, health challenges, financial pressure. Slowly, the relationship becomes functional instead of relational. Unspoken resentments, small hurts that go unattended to, they don't disappear. They quietly build emotional walls between these two. So emotional invalidation, when feelings are minimized or dismissed, people stop sharing. Growing at different emotional speeds, one partner evolves emotionally while the other stays the same, and distances form, walls are created, and boundaries are there. These are human experiences, not failure. The emotional impact. Emotional loneliness doesn't just affect the relationship, it affects the individual. It can lead to feeling unseen or unimportant. It can lead to you having low mood or feelings of anxiety, loss of intimacy and desire, increased conflicts or complete withdrawal. Many people start asking themselves, am I asking for too much? You are not asking for too much. Emotional connection is a basic human need, not an unreasonable demand. Healing doesn't begin with blame, it begins with awareness. Now, name the loneliness that you feel gently instead of accusing. For example, you could say, I miss feeling emotionally close to you. This opens connection instead of defensiveness. Another tip you can take, create small moments of emotional presence. Connection doesn't require long conversation every day. Eye contact when speaking. One meaningful question daily. Listening without fixing. And step 3, rebuild emotional safety by asking yourself, do I feel safe being honest? Does my partner feel safe with me? Safety is rebuilt through consistency, not perfection. And step number 4, seek support when needed. Sometimes emotional distance is layered with past wounds, exhaustion, or trauma. Support through counseling, guided conversation, or self-reflection is strength, not failure. If emotional loneliness has been part of your story, here is this: you are not weak, you are not asking for too much, and healing is possible for you. Let me ask you a gentle question. What part of this conversation resonates mostly with you? Go to the comment section and share the answer to that question. Your voice matters here, and someone might learn and also feel that they are not alone. Thank you for being part of Heal&Rise with Adeline. I also want you to know that this content is for educational and supportive purposes and does not replace professional medical or therapeutic care. So, Once more, if you love what you've learned from this place, click on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, or subscribe, just so that we can continue to be part of this family. Trust me, you can always learn something from this channel. And we are all work in progress, and no one is greater than any. As we keep running this race, we must defeat our fear and things that tends to break us. Once again, bye-bye.